Hello students, as promised I am back. In this module, I would be teaching you about transportation in plants and how does it occurs in them. Here in this module, you will also come to know about how plants excrete their waste materials. So let's not waste much of our time and see this upcoming video.
Introduction. Tanu waters the plants in her garden every day. She knows that if she does not do so, they will wilt and ultimately die. But she is curious to know how the water that she supplies to the roots reaches the leaves of the plants. In this lesson, we will discuss the process of transportation of water, nutrients, and food in the plants. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to understand the importance of roots, understand the role of xylem, define photosynthesis, understand the role of phloem, define transpiration. Vibha wants to remove some weeds in her garden. She tries to pull them out but fails. She finds them firmly fixed to the ground. She asks her gardener to help. He manages to pull them out with some effort. He points to some fibers at the lower end of the weeds, which held the weeds to the soil. These fibers are known as roots. All plants have roots. Roots play a crucial role in providing water and nutrients to the other parts of the plant body. Roots have hairs. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil through these hairs. The more the root hairs, the greater the absorption. A network of tube-like vessels runs through the entire body of a plant. This system of vessels is known as xylem. These vessels are made of special cells. They act as channels that connect the roots to the leaves through the stem and the branches. Xylem transports water and dissolved nutrients absorbed from soil to the different parts of the plant through this network of vessels. Ria is eating her breakfast in a hurry. Her mother advises her to chew the food properly so that the nutrients are absorbed by the body. Human beings and animals have a circulatory system that transports the nutrients absorbed from food to the different parts of the body. Plants have phloem to perform this task. Phloem is a tissue that is located on the outer layer of the stem. It transports the sugar prepared by the leaves during photosynthesis to the rest of the plant body. Since it transports sugar, phloem is rich in a sticky fluid called sap, which contains the dissolved sugars. Just as human beings need food to survive, plants also require food to live. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants manufacture food. The word photosynthesis is derived from two words, photo, which means light, and synthesis, which means preparation. Thus, the word photosynthesis means producing with the help of light. In this process, plant leaves use the light from the sun to synthesize food from carbon dioxide and water. Sugar and oxygen are the end products of photosynthesis.
Excretion in plants. Excretion in plants is much simpler than that of animals. Plants do not have any special organs for removal of waste.
Gaseous excretory materials are eliminated by diffusion through the stomata. Many plants eliminate waste by its accumulation of waste in the vacuoles of the aging leaf cells.
These leaves will eventually die and fall off, removing waste in the process. In some plants, waste products are stored as raisins and gum in the old xylem. Have you ever noticed a sticky, milky, or oily substance oozing out from the bark of trees?
These are excretory products stored in the old xylem. Plants also excrete some waste substances into the soil around them.
In some plants, waste is in the form of calcium oxalate crystals called as raphides. These are needle-shaped and therefore hurt and cause itching. For example, colocasia leaves and the outer skin of the onion. Some plant wastes are very useful to human beings, such as rubber latex, gum, raisins, and essential oils like eucalyptus or sandalwood oil. Rubber latex is used to produce gloves.
The hard, transparent raisins are principally used for varnishes and adhesives, while the softer raisins and gum raisins containing essential oils are more largely used for therapeutic purposes and incense.